Plan construction of your house within the budget allocated by you. If you have budgetary constraints, check with your architect or contractor if you can defer construction like upper floors, landscape work, parking area, etc. This gives you the flexibility in building the basic house components without compromising quality and as per your budget. If you are deferring some things, make provisions for them in your overall plan. Always keep a buffer of 5 to 7% escalation to the budgeted amount during construction stage. Involve the whole family during finishing stages to select paint color, tile design, furniture, sanitary fittings, light fixtures, etc. Do keep an eye on the budget during this stage and keep a buffer of 10 to 15% to your budgeted amount for this stage. Some smart tips to remember.